वेलकम स्टूडेंट, आई विश यू विल बी फाइन। ऑनलाइन क्लासेज में आपका स्वागत है। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है ग्रुप 18 एलिमेंट्स और नोबल गैसेज और इनर्ट गैसेज और जीरो ग्रुप एलिमेंट्स, एटॉमिक, फिजिकल एंड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज। आज का टॉपिक हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। एटॉमिक एंड फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज। Atomic and physical properties of group 18 elements: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radioactive element radon. This is the only group in which all elements are non-metal. This is the only group in which all elements are gases. These are monoatomic gases. Oldest noble gases is neon, atomic number 2, A10, 18, 36, 54 and 86. Electronic configuration 1s2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p6, 5s2, 5p6, 6s2, 6p6. तो फर्स्ट इज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन। Group 18 elements have general outermost electronic configuration of the type of Ns2, Np6 except helium, which has 1s2 type of electronic configuration. Number 2, physical states. All group 18 elements are monoatomic gases at room temperature. Atomicity only 1. Atomic size in group 18 elements from top to bottom, atomic size increases. Covalent radius increases in group 18 elements from top to bottom. Van der Waals radius increases. Ionization enthalpy in group 18 elements from top to bottom, ionization enthalpy decreases. This is due to increase in atomic size. Electronegativity in group 18 elements from top to bottom, electronegativity decreases. This is due to increase in atomic size. Melting point increases, boiling point increases, electron gain density increases. Electron gain enthalpy these have large positive value of electron gain enthalpy. This is due to their stable electronic configurations and very high ionization enthalpy. These are chemically inert. Xenon is the only element which form compounds. So these are some atomic and physical properties of group 18 elements. Group 18 elements have very low melting point because they have no interatomic forces except London forces or dispersion forces, which is the weakest force. That is why they boil only a low temperature. They have low melting point, low boiling points. Group 18 elements are known as noble gases because they form very few compounds. Only xenon forms established compounds. This is due to its low ionization enthalpy, which is due to its high atomic size, large atomic size. Chemical properties. Chemical properties of xenon. Xenon is the only element of group 18 which form well established compound. Xenon react with fluorine to form xenon difluoride. Xenon reacts with 2 mole of fluorine to form xenon tetrafluoride. Xenon react with 3 mole of fluorine to form xenon hexafluorides. First noble gas compound was XCPTF6. O2PTF6. Oxygen react with a PTF6 to form a compound O2PTF6, and this compound was formed by Berthollet because ionization enthalpy of xenon and oxygen is similar. So oxygen can react to form this compound, so xenon also form xenon plus PTF6, first noble gas compound. इंस्पिरेशन की वजह थी बेटा ये कंपाउंड बनना. So noble gases are chemically inert. This is due to stable outermost electronic configuration NH2 and P6 except helium, which is 1s2, very high ionization enthalpy and high positive electron gain enthalpy. These are chemically inert or very low reactive. XCF2 upon hydrolysis to form 2Hc plus 4HF plus oxygen. XCF4 6 mole react with 12 mole of water to form 4Hc. Xc, then Xc plus 24HF, and then oxygen twelve oxygen, 4Xc, 2XCO3 बेटा और 3O2. ओके बेटा 12, then XCF6 react with 1 mole of water to form XCO4 plus 2HF. XCF6 react with 2 mole of water to form XCO2F2 plus 4HF. XCF6 react with 3 mole of water to form XCO3 plus 6HF. ये तो है बेटे पार्शियल हाइड्रोलिसिस. and this is complete hydrolysis. Complete hydrolysis बेटा, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शन बेटा। एग्जाम में इनमें से एक आने की संभावना हमेशा रहती है बेटा। शेप ऑफ कंपाउंड्स ऑफ जीनोम, शेप और स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ नंबर 1 XCF2 लीनियर शेप होती है, लीनियर शेप sp3 डिहाइब्रिडाइजेशन। XCF4 स्क्वायर प्लेनर शेप, स्क्वायर प्लेनर शेप, it has square planar shape and sp3d2 hybridization. Then XCF6 distorted octahedral, shape, sp3d3 hybridization. Next one is XeO2F2, सीसा शेप, sp3 डिहाइब्रिडाइजेशन। XeOF4 स्क्वायर पिरामिडल, sp3d2 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन, स्क्वायर पिरामिडल शेप। Next is XeO3 xenon trioxide, XeO3 बेटा, just like ammonia, pyramidal, trigonal pyramidal, sp3। XeO4 xenon tetraoxide, tetrahedral, sp3 hybridization, shape is tetrahedral, sp3 hybridization। इसी तरह से थोड़ा सा हम ध्यान दें बेटा, इंटर हैलोजन कंपाउंड ClF3 बेटा, बेंटी शेप बेटा, बेंट टी शेप, sp3d बेटा, ClF5 स्क्वायर पिरामिडल, sp3d2 स्क्वायर पिरामिडल, एंड IF7 पेंटागोनल बाई पिरामिडल। तो उम्मीद है बेटा आप बच्चों को आज का लेक्चर समझ आया होगा। आपको बार बार कहा जाता है जितना आप लिख के देखेंगे बेटे उतना ही आपके लिए अच्छा रहेगा बेटा। सो थैंक्स फॉर योर काइंड अटेंशन, हैव ए नाइस डे।